As the sign says, this is the dining room. And this is the entrance to the dining room. Side. Oops, sorry. And this is the dining room. We are on deck 2, and the dining room is also on deck 3, which is above there. It's open seating, no reservations needed. Come as you are. Dinner is from 5:30 to 9. I'm going to take you to our room. We are almost at the very end of the ship. We're down this way, but if you look this way, that is to customer service. But we are this direction. And our room number is 1114. And here we are. 1114. Let me unlock the door and I'll take you inside. Okay, this is our room. We were supposed to have a room with an obstructed view. There is no obstruction to this window, which we are very happy about, because now we can look outside and not worry about a boat or something being in front of us. We get a perfect view. As we turn around, that's our TV, our desk. And we have a little lounge area. That's all we need. We have several closets. Which we have our clothes in. And this is our bathroom. Shower, tub, the sink. What more could you ask for?
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.